Only 1 in 100 people get the answer correct. Why? Because people solve it like this: 2 times 5 as 10 and 10 divided by 10 as 1 and 1 minus 1 as 0, which is a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. When in an expression like this, you have given multiple operation like division, multiplication, subtraction, then you have to follow PEMDAS or BODMAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. As per this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis if given, then exponent, then multiplication, division, both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first we solve the division. So it's 10 divided by 2 multiply 5 minus 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5 and 5 times 5 minus 1. So first we have to solve the multiplication part. So 5 times 5 is 25 minus 1, which is 24. So what is the correct answer? 24, not 0. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.